Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the policy number and who is listed as the insured. This prevents delays. Once done, review the contract for notice periods and any short rate or cancellation fees so you know costs. Next, contact the insurer by phone or secure portal and request a cancellation initiation. Explain your preferred effective date. Make sure to have your ID, last premium payment info, and bank or routing details ready to authorize refunds or final charges. You now complete formal steps. If the policy requires written notice, draft and sign a concise cancellation letter stating policy number and effective date. Send it certified mail. Then fill any company cancellation form or agent portal fields. Include reason and forwarding contact. Once submitted, insist on a confirmation number and a final premium accounting so you can verify refund or owed balance. If another insurer is involved, coordinate effective dates to avoid coverage gaps. You finish by confirming the insurer posts a refund or final charge. Check your bank and insurer statements for the posted amount and effective cancellation date. Once verified, cancel or update any automatic premium drafts and keep the written confirmation in your records. If the company disputes cancellation or claims unmet conditions, escalate to a supervisor, request a written denial, and if necessary, file an appeal or complaint with the regulator. This preserves your rights and creates.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.